Welcome to another episode on my Ubuntu Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and the Robot operating system. Last time I had some problems finding out why some data would not start. Well, actually not just last time, but through the last couple of episodes, and one of those at the last moment there was something that I wanted to do and I had a little start with it, and the point is that with these two messages it doesn't work. So what I want to do in this episode is to go back to the state in which everything worked. How do I do that? First of all, by renaming things and deleting things. What I already did was making a RaspberryPi2 and I imported that in here, and I did not yet do that in here, so I have to do that right now, because the way this has been developing the last time is anything but good. I keep getting errors, keep getting the message that message is not found, while every proof that I needed to have that it did work was there, yet it didn't work. So I am going to change everything back, and this should do. Now I have one more thing to do, which is going to source LPI, not message. No. I have to go to well, just here I think, because here CMake list is there, and I have to find this doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense at all. This makes sense. So this is what it is about. robot_pi.msg. This worked. The other messages are commented out, so that's good. What I do need to do now is a little check on the contents of this directory, which is exactly what it is. RaspberryPi. Let me see for the rest. Yes, and in contents, this is exactly what I want to see. Bringing them back together. Does this mean it will work? Not right now. So I have to I have to make cat-can make run cat-can make again. And see if this is really going to work out. The package is alright, but that's not what the point is. The point is, will it actually find robot_pi message again? Because there, that is what has been going wrong last couple of times, last couple of episodes. Well, that's at least one thing. Now this is alright. No, this is not alright. This has to be an underscore. Looking here, robot_pi, yes. So now let's actually see something works. And first source, to make sure that everything does work. I don't like typing, but this is what I want to see. And these are the old ones by now. Not public. Why is this shifted up? I want to see everything. And then sub. And this should work. Let's run. I hope. I recall this problem was there before. What's running here? Wrong. Alright, exactly the same. Now, where do I make this mistake? If anywhere. Somewhere is a typing error. Question is where? Not in here anyway. So let's go to the publisher. This is not a typing error. Here it's correct. This is correct. So where is it? I also made a pub2, but I cannot imagine that there is something in there, because I'm not running those things. Let's see. So where is this error? It is not in here because there's a robot_pi. The only thing I can imagine is them in here somehow. But this is an underscore, of course. Alright. Is there a hyphen somewhere? No. Underscore. Robot PI, of course. There's a robot PI. Only that. Alright. Oops. No. Alright, why is this going wrong? It's a command line, let's say. That's it. Alright. Now I have to go to source because no, not source, scripts. And in here I have the sub2. So let's examine sub2. Is there possibly a sub hyphen in here? Not found. I thought it was unlikely, but then where does this come from? It says import from robot PI import. This is an underscore. This is commented out. Commented out, and here's an underscore. So best I can do is make a find to something called robot hyphen PI. Find next. And there is next. There is nothing. Alright, then save. Save. And go again. Where is this coming from? Do I need another build and whichever it is, cat can make? Do I have to cat can make install? It shouldn't be necessary. Nope, same thing. This is not funny. Where does the robot hyphen PI come from? Where is it? And one problem is being solved. Has been solved. As you can see, this is brand new fresh data from publisher and subscriber, and I finally found where the problem was. the error was given in this directory with the underscore init underscore .pi file. I just ran well, first I looked into the directory, and then it turned out that that file that is no longer here contained that line, the error line, and it was brand new, fresh file. So I ran catkin make clean, which removed that file. Then, not using catkin make again, I started publisher and subscriber, and they work. So now first thing I want to do is to see if things work again as they should. So publisher, and mind you, this is not message underscore robot underscore pi, it is robot underscore pi. So the very old situation. It's a big step back in time, but let's see. You see the very little LED here burning. Now, while I'm doing that, I shine some light. There goes the yellow oscilloscope line. But also I release the button, and the bottom line on the oscilloscope is going down and up again. And the red LED is functioning properly. Now, first thing to check as well is the command for, let's go from here, not in here either, the rostopic echo. Well, I need to check, and that is going to, this is all fruitless effort from searching the error. I'm getting closer, I think, or not. I should actually just type it. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Type it. ROS topic echo Which echo is there? Is there any? There should be. What? Oh, see, it has some delay, so I need public speaker, and public speaker 1 is no longer there, no longer active, so I need 2. What does it do? Are your messages built? Oh. Really? So I would need to build them again. I would not like that. So, okay. Let's make it and see if the publisher will run again. I'm afraid for the answer, very much afraid. That's what I thought. So making clean again, running the publisher, and there you go. So now I am starting the subscriber again. And echoing public speaker 2. And getting this. So what is the difference? What is the big difference? Alright, this is public speaker 3 and this is public speaker 2. And it claims the messages have not been built. It is not being published. Publish pub2. Well, pub2 is undeniably public speaker 2 from RaspberryPi. There's no use of denying. It's that's it. So I still have a problem, and a big one. But how to solve it? And I'm afraid that it is indeed the problem. ROS message show robot_pi/robot_pi should reveal a package and message and content of anything, but it's not doing it. That said, hold on, I may have made a slight mistake, because no, not from here. Alright, then once again it actually does work. Alright, I forgot source development. So the message does exist, which is a good thing. That said, then why is public speaker not being published? So once again, publisher, it runs nicely. Subscriber, it works. So once again, it is working. Okay, now I'm baffled. How can it work now suddenly? Oh, yeah, of course, because I had not run source development. Alright, in each terminal that you want to use ROS in, you have to source the development setup. Anyway, since this problem is cleared, Let's test the hardware again. This works. Now if this... oh right. Yeah. Battery has run out. Well done, well done. Now maybe if I turn it up. Apparently not good enough. Can I on the fly change the batteries, or can't I? I don't think I can. Alright, recharging batteries, that is. With a lamp kind of charged again, let's try something. Is something actually happening? Right, so I'm shining and I am getting a flashing LED, but what I'm also getting is a burning LED here. So this is not going entirely as correct, because this one should only burn when the button is pressed, which is now clearly not the case. So let me interrupt everything. Well, almost everything then. And this is weird, because now the LED is burning and nothing is running. So I'm not sure what's happening now, but this is not what's supposed to be. Not even in the slightest. So let me interrupt this one, and still the LED is burning. New mystery. Nice. Or actually not so nice, but right, that one is working. That one is working. Now the LED is off. And then I need the publisher. Yes. Then now nothing is working. That is correct. This is supposed to. Now I'm pressing the button, releasing it. Right, so the green LED is suffering from a serious delay. Now it's off. Alright. I kind of can live with that. So, what did I do? I went back to RaspberryPi message. I had to get rid of some initialization thing, and now it works the way it worked in the beginning, which I don't want to. So next time trying to build it up like I wanted to. And yes, that is next time. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up, like it. Follow me on Twitter, retweet and like. Follow me on Instagram and like. And this is obviously going to be continued. Please also donate to keep the videos coming your way. More information on my website. Bye bye.